Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in into Orca Slicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, as you can see on screen, when you install this Orca Slicer and run the program, you will get setup wizard. So what we need to do is just simply get started. Now, what we need to do is select our login region. So we will select Europe. Next. Now, here, what we are going to do is need to choose the printer, which we have here in this list. So you need to choose which one you have, and then you you hit next right over here. All right, now we hit next. Filament selection. So right here we can select filament types. Right here, vendor, and then we have some filters here. So if you don't have checked what you want, you can find it here and find it and check. Okay, now you can read this. So stealth mode, this disables all cloud features, including Orca Cloud Profile singing. User who prefer to work entirely offline can enable this option. So let's for now enable stealth mode. And yeah, if you need Bamboo Network plugin, then check this mark right here. Otherwise, just hit finish. Okay, so now I assume that you already know this environment here. So this is Orca Slicer, the main page in this program. So now we need to sign in also right here. So if you enabled the stealth mode before, you will need to disable it. So it will put you a warning to disable this stealth mode, and then you can register right here. So what you can do, sign in or create an account. So we can create an account, but as you can see, we can continue with Google, Apple, or GitHub. So it's really convenient. So if you need something right here that you prefer, then great. So I will select here. So what you need to do basically is just put in your email, your Orca Slicer username, then home region you will select right here, and then set password, and you will confirm that password. And just like that, you will successfully create an account. And just like that, you are successfully signed in and log in to your account in Orca Slicer. And this is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.